The last part of today's lesson is going to be finding some example pictures of habitats and non-habitats. So on the next slide, you're going to see this, where you have two boxes, one that says example of a habitat and one that says example of a non-habitat. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find pictures that show examples of what is a habitat and what's not a habitat. If you forget the names of some different types of habitats, go back a few slides and re-listen to the song. In the song, they talk about several different habitats. And also, in your habitat sort, you saw some examples of ones that were habitats and ones that were not. So the way you find pictures is you go up to Insert, Image, Search the Web. Then you're going to see this Google search appear on the right-hand side. In the search bar, you are going to click in and type in the name of either the example of the habitat that you're looking for or the non-example. So let's say, for example, I'm deciding to search for a non-habitat. And I know that a pumpkin is not a habitat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a picture of a pumpkin, click on it, and click Insert. And once that picture is in, I'm going to resize it by clicking into one of the blue corners and dragging it, and I'm going to move it into the box that's my non-example, because a pumpkin is not an example of a habitat. Now, you can't use pumpkin as your example, because that one was mine. So you have to think of your own non-example. Then what you're going to do is, again, you'll click Insert, Image, Search the Web, and you are going to now do another search to find an example of something that is a habitat. And you'll add a picture of that habitat inside that box there. So remember, you can't do pumpkin because that was my non-example. So if we see you do pumpkin, we're going to ask you to do another non-example. Have fun with your image searches.